Hello, this is Patrick from XPression. I'd like to show you how to use Rust Platform Manager to license XPression Maps 4.0 and higher. So here I have an email. I've got a licensed product key for XPression Maps, and this is going to be going into my Rust Platform Manager system. So I'm going to copy this information, and from there I'm going to come to my hard drive under System folder, Drive C. I'm going to go to Program Files, and I'm going to find XPression Maps in here. When I find XPression Maps, I'll open up that folder, and I'm going to open up the bin 64 folder, and I'll find in here XPression Maps RPM License Manager.exe. I'm going to double click to launch that. Now the license key that I was given needs to go in here, but before I do anything else, I'm going to go over to my File, Preferences, and I'm going to put this into my Rust Platform Manager, and I have a Platform Manager on a particular host, and mine is the secure socket connection. So mine is going to be 443, and I'm using HTTPS to connect to it, and mine is going to be encrypted. Yours may be going to a different server. This should be going to the Rust Platform Manager server that your facility maintains. I'm going to say that that's fine, and again, I could be doing other things with it, but this is what I'm doing for mine. Now, from there, I'm going to come to the License Manager. I'm going to click on Licenses. I'm going to click Add License. And then the license key that I have, I'm going to paste in, and then I'm going to click OK. Once I do that, you'll see that I have my license key here. If I click on it, I'll now see what I have available to me, and I have all this different software available to me. And I have 2 activations on it, meaning I could run this on 2 separate computers. And right now I don't have any activations running. So now that I've done this and I've got all this running, I should also just test my license, and I should select it first, license, test license. And it's going to go and it's going to check, and this is letting me know that everything is there and everything has been activated properly. So I'm going to click done. I'm going to minimize this, and now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to launch my XPression Maps software. And there I have it. I now have XPression Maps licensed with Rust Platform Manager using a product key. And I can do this on multiple computers in my facility, and I can use up to 2 computers at a time because I have 2 activations available to me. If I had 1 activation, I could use 1 computer. And each activation I have is an additional computer that I could use that product key or license with. So that's Rust Platform Manager and XPression Maps for XPression Maps 4.0.